Let's talk about making hot chocolate. What are the steps to making hot chocolate? What do you need? Hot cocoa mix, hot water, mug, milk. Take out an empty, clean mug. Get your box of hot cocoa mix. Take out hot cocoa packet. Open hot cocoa packet. Pour hot cocoa mix into mug. Heat water until boiling. You can also heat the water in a microwave. Pour hot water into mug. Stir the hot cocoa. Add milk if you like. Add marshmallows if you like. Add whipped cream if you like. Drink your hot cocoa. Be careful, it's hot. How do you like your hot chocolate? What do you need to make hot cocoa? What weather is the best time for hot chocolate? Which way do you heat your water? How much is the hot cocoa mix? Keywords to learn.